What's up, everybody? I'm Brigitte Bidet, and I'm about to show you all the things that I slap on my face to get pretty. I use this Anastasia Beverly Hills contour palette. Never really use the top rows, just the bottoms. And we're gonna take our amazing contour brush from MAC. This baby has delivered time and time again, using a blend of two colors, never one color. Dust off the excess. Starting here, we want to darken this whole forehead area. By now, contouring has gotten so mainstream that I feel like it's just kind of intuitive how we apply it. Mine is definitely a bit more on the subtle side. You can go very extreme with these contours and highlights, but I'm going for a softer glam look. But again, soft glam is still a lot of makeup and maybe a little extreme for some people. I'm gonna put it just under where my actual cheekbone is because I'm just pretending like I'm the beautiful woman here. I'm not painting on a big fake clown face, just a small fake clown face. Just under here, that's where my cheekbone is. Using the brush to feel where that is and just going underneath it. A lot of people contour their nose on either side. I actually just do this. I put it on the nose like the entire thing. And then you go back with a highlighter after. A little bit on the jaw, just to soften up that jaw. This product is amazing because it's buildable, so you can blend it easily. It was designed for basically someone who wants to wear makeup every day when they wake up. It's gotta go on fast and look cute and natural. You wouldn't even believe how many people use this exact product